we are going to find the value of x and y, where second root of x plus y is 7, x plus second root of y is 11. Remember, x and y are positive integers. To solve this, I'm going to set this second root of x equals p, and this second root of y equals q. From this, x becomes p squared, and from this, y becomes q squared. Now we are going to use this p squared, q squared, plug them in our original equations to continue the solution. So equation number 1 is going to be second root of x, which means p, plus y, which means q squared, equals 7. And equation number 2, which means x or p squared, plus second root of y, which means q, equals 11. Now, let's rewrite this 11 as a sum of 7 and 4, right? We can rewrite it as a sum of 7 and 4. This 7, exactly this 7, that is equal this expression. So I can rewrite p plus q squared instead of this 7. Equation number 2 is going to be p squared plus q equals 7, or p plus q squared plus 4. Now, this one is going to be our base to continue the solution. Let's take both p and q squared to the left side. Remember, when we change the side, we need to change the sign. So equation number 2 is going to be p squared plus q minus p minus q squared equals 4. Let's group them. P squared minus q squared minus p minus q equals 4. Look, this p squared, this minus q squared, negative p, negative times positive, negative, positive q, negative times negative, positive. Now, what can you notice here? P squared minus q squared can be written in the form of p minus q times p plus q, right? Minus p minus q is 4. What is the common factor between this term and this term? Right, p minus q. So let's factor p minus q out of our expression. First one is going to be p plus q. Second one is going to be minus 1 equals 4. So tell me, how can we use this one to find the value of p and q? Now we need to work on this number, which means 4. So let's see, what is 4? 4 can be written in the form of the product of 1 and 4. Also 2 and 2. Also 4 and 1. Look, p and q are integers. So p minus q is an integer. P plus q minus 1 also is an integer. So let me rewrite it here. P minus q times p plus q minus 1 equals 4. So I'm going to start with this one. 1 times 4. So p minus q is going to be 1. Also, p plus q minus 1 is going to be 4. So p plus q is 4 minus 1 goes there and change to plus 1. 4 plus 1, which means 5. We have these two equations. Let's add them together. P plus p, 2p, minus q plus q can be cancelled off. 1 plus 5 is going to be 6. 2p is 6. What is the value of p? P is going to be 6 divided by 2, or 3. When p is 3, what is the value of q? P plus q is 5. So q is going to be 2. So now we have the value of p and value of q. What is x? X is p squared. So from here, I write x equals 3 to the power of 2 or 9. This is the value of our x if we rewrite 4 as a product of 1 and 4. And the value of y is going to be q squared. So 2 to the power of 2 or 4. This is going to be the value of 4. Now, to find out the valid answer, we need to check both them. X equals 9 and y equals 4. So let me erase this part and check our answer. They are correct or not. Equation number 1, second root of x plus y equals 7. When x is 9, y is 4. The equation is going to be second root of x, which means second root of 9 plus y or 4 equals 7. Second root of 9 is 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 equals 7. So x equals 9 and y equals 4 are valid answer. They can be our answer. Now, how about when we rewrite 4 as the product of 2 and 2, and when we rewrite 4 as the product of 4 and 1? For answer them, I'm waiting for your solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. I'm waiting for your solution when we rewrite 4 as the product of 2 and 2 and 4 and 1. Have fun.